Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on REALME 14T. So we have to start by opening your settings application. Now we have to go to Google and then go to all services. And now we have to go to parental controls and click let's do this. Now click sign in and select Google. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. And click accept. Now click on supervise. And click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next and click allow. Now you have to scroll down and click next and click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.